Welcome to the Australian Service Excellence Awards for 2023. Tonight, in this 23rd year of the awards, we celebrate excellence in customer service. Tonight, we celebrate those who have raised the bar and innovated in the delivery of that service.
If you can speak, you can influence, and if you can influence, you can change lives.
Fabulous.
So as a leader, as a service leader, what a privilege to be able to change people's lives. And this is just a testimony to that. So, thank you.
Congratulations to the other finalists amongst amazing companies. So to stand up here and win this award is just fantastic.
Everybody in the room, we're all celebrating you. How do you feel?
I feel very humbled and like everyone's looking at me.
They are.
It's great. It's a very amazing accomplishment to achieve.
Customer service really does, before anything else, come from within. It comes from the heart.
I just can't even put it into words. I do what I love every single day, and to have even been recognised for that is completely overwhelming to me.
When we have the judges come and see us and walk around with them and just see what raw emotion it even caused on them, it's the satisfaction of knowing that we help people.
Yeah, it's a pretty special moment to be recognised in such an elite group of people, to be considered as to be able to do what we do as a manager. I feel pretty humbled is probably the best word for it.
We have the best team. So proud of this team, so proud of what we do, and so proud of what we do for our customers.